In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to subdomain on Bluehost. So the first thing this we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click at login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started, or simply, because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year, you can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And that is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to show you how to subdomain. So it's simple. You can just go to this left panel and expand this domains tab, then simply click on subdomains right here. As you can see, those are the most asked questions. If you have like a question like those, you can just expand it to see the answer of it. And of course, you'll find all this your subdomains right here. For me, you haven't added any subdomains yet. For you, if you don't have it and you want to add some, you can simply click add a subdomain here, and that's how you actually subdomain. You can simply add your subdomain here, then select your domain, then home folder, then click at add subdomain, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.